Go. Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is first tutorial of cadence software. In this software we see function of cadence software and how place all function in software. So first we open worked layout, tool, go to and new. So first here some function are missing, so first we press alt and control V and restore toolbar. Okay, close and open once again. So this missing function like file edit is now available. So first we put all this function in proper place. Here still some function are missing, so we go in view, toolbar and all on and okay. So now function is at its proper place. So in any production house we work on some unit like inch, miles, centimeter, millimeter and micron. In most production house we work in miles or millimeter, so we set millimeter. Okay, so this is a menu bar: file, edit, view, add, setup, documentation, analysis, query, option, micro, tools, user helps. This is mainframe bottom, in which we make editing in Gerber. This is a layer bar like top, bottom. So this is all function of cadence software and all how to work all function like this: drill, add slot, save, setup NC tools. We see in brief or all detail in next tutorial with work in cadence. So guys, thank you.